Hello friends, in this session we will talk about while loop in Java. So mainly we will cover 2 points. First is how to use while loop. Second is where to use while loop. So first let's talk about how to use while loop. Okay, so as you can see I have already created one class called while loop. In that I have written one method main. So after that what I have done, I have created two variable of integer type and initialized them with 0. Okay, so to use while loop we will have to write while, and in that brackets you can write the conditions like once this condition will be true then only the body is going to execute, which we have written in this while loop. So as you can see what I have done, first I have printed the value of I, which is 0 for now, and later on I have checked if loop is equals to 10, then it will break this while loop. Otherwise it is going to check if the value of I contains 1, then the loop will be increased by 1. So what is the point when this while loop will be breaking once the loop value will be 10, and how it will calculate the loop value whenever I contains 1 in itself, it will increase the value of loop by 1. So as you can see, so at the end I have increased the value of I. So let's just try to execute this program so we will get to know in depth. Okay, so as you can see this while loop executed 20 times from 0 to 19, and let me tell you, like the value of loop got 10 at this value of 18, but it again executed for one more time because we haven't put it any condition over here. We have just passed true. When the value of I is 18, this loop got 10, but because of this condition is true, as we have passed true only, it has printed 19, then it has checked that loop is equals to 10, then it got break. Okay, so this is the way you can use the while loop. What you can done, you can simply write while loop, you create the body, what operations you need to perform in while loop when your condition is true. Okay, so let me also show you how you use do while loop. Okay, so there is no such big difference in between both of them. In do while, what happened, first I have reinitialized these variables from 19 or 10 to 00 so that this do while will also be working. What I have done, I have simply written do and created the body of do. In that I have simply copied everything which I have written here, and after that I have written while loop and put it the condition here. So there is only one small difference in do while. First, in do while it will first execute the body, then it will check the conditions what we have applied here. In while loop it first checks the condition, then it executes the body. Okay, so this was all about the first point, how to use while loop. Let's talk about the another point, where to use while loop. Okay, so but before going forward, let's execute this so that you will get to know like both are performing same operation. There is no difference. Okay, so as you can see, while loop got executed from 0 to 19, it means the body got executed 20 times and the conditions got true, and then it got breaked. In do while same thing happened, as we have put it true here. So when the value of loop got 10, it has increased the value of I by 1, so it got 19, and as this condition is true, it came here, it printed 19 and break this loop. Okay, so this was about the do while. Okay, so let's talk about the second point, where to use while loop. So if the body of while loop is going to execute multiple times and you don't know like how many times it's going to repeat itself, as it depends upon some condition. So in that way I would like to suggest you to use while loop if you have already some idea like how many times you need to execute your body. then I would prefer you to use for loop. So let me make you understand this point in depth. As you can see, this while loop is executing 20 times, and how many times it is going to execute, that depends upon the condition. When loop will be 10, so that's why I have used while loop here. If I was known, like I just wanted to check or execute this loop for some 20 times, then I would have used for loop at the place of while. So this is the main idea, like how to use while loop and where to use while loop. I hope you must have liked this video. Thank you so much for joining us. Stay tuned and happy learning.